Hello, I'm Patrick Jamison, and today we're going to install the PGT aluminum casement window. In today's video, I'm going to unpackage the window and show you some of the suggested tools that you'll need. Here are some of the tools that you'll need for this install. Beginning with the appropriate size level, cordless screw guns, both standard and impact, razor knife, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, tape measure, the appropriate sealant, and glass cup. Here is the PGT aluminum casement window. The configuration is a hinge right. Using the razor knife, I will safely unpackage the window. Here's the bag of hardware with our handle and a couple of screws. We'll set this bag off to the side for now. To recap, I've now unpackaged the window and showed you some of the suggested tools. In the next video, I'm going to show you the best practices for installing this window.